Do you wake up every morning feeling excited about your day, or do you feel tired even before it starts? This simple question might help you understand something very important about your life, whether you live to work or work to live. Many people go to work every day, come home feeling exhausted, and wonder if this is all life has to offer. They work long hours, answer messages late at night, skip family dinners, and often don't remember the last time they had a full day of rest. If this sounds familiar, you might be living to work. But is that the only way to live? Do we exist only to work and earn money, or is work just one part of a much bigger life? Let's explore this together because it's a topic that touches all of us. We spend a large part of our lives working. That's normal. We need to earn money for food, rent, education, and other basic needs. But when work becomes the center of everything, when it takes over your mind even after work hours, when you can't enjoy weekends because you're thinking about Monday, that's when the balance is lost. Living to work means that your identity and self-worth are based mostly on your job. It means you often think, I must do more. I must be better. I must prove myself. You might feel guilty when resting. You might feel nervous when you're not productive. And slowly, without realizing it, you begin to lose connection with the other parts of your life, your health, your hobbies, your relationships, and even your sense of joy. On the other hand, working to live is a mindset where work supports your life, but doesn't define it. You work because it gives you the means to live, to travel, to enjoy good food, to spend time with loved ones, to grow as a person. You still do your best at work, but you understand that your job is just one part of who you are. You don't feel ashamed for taking a break or going on vacation. You know that rest is not a weakness, but a part of a healthy life. Now, let's be clear. Working to live does not mean being lazy or not caring about your career. It means finding a healthy balance. It means understanding that your time, energy, and attention are precious, and you have the right to use them not only for your job, but also for yourself. Life is not only about deadlines and tasks. It's also about experiences, feelings, growth, and connection. Think about the people you love most. Do you have time for them? When was the last time you had a long talk with a friend, or a quiet moment with your partner, or played with your kids without checking your phone? These moments are just as important as any work meeting. In fact, they might be more important, because when we look back at our lives, we don't remember the number of hours we worked. We remember the moments that made us feel alive. Another thing to think about is your health. When you live to work, you often forget to take care of yourself. You skip meals, you sit for too long. You don't sleep enough. Stress becomes normal. You start having headaches, back pain, or feel tired all the time. But when you work to live, you start making choices that are good for your body and mind. You move more, eat better, sleep well, and find time to relax. Your health improves, and you feel more energy to enjoy both work and life. Also, consider your dreams. What did you want to do when you were younger? Maybe you wanted to paint, travel, write, cook, or help others. Are you still making space for those dreams, or have you locked them away because you're too busy? Working to live means giving your dreams a place in your life. It means saying yes to things that make you happy, even if they don't bring money. Sometimes, the things that make our hearts full don't show up on a paycheck, but they matter just as much. Some people say, I'll rest when I'm older, or I'll enjoy life after I retire. But no one knows the future. Waiting too long to live your life is a risk. Why not start now? You don't need to make big changes all at once. Even small steps can help. Set limits at work. Learn to say no when something feels too much. Use your free time well. Go for a walk, call a friend, read a book, or simply do nothing for a while. Your time is valuable, and you deserve to use it in a way that brings you joy. It's also okay to talk with others about this. Maybe you and your coworkers feel the same way. Maybe your family misses you. Maybe your manager doesn't know how tired you are. Honest conversations can help. You don't have to do this alone. And if your job doesn't let you live the life you want, maybe it's time to think about a change. It's scary, yes, but sometimes change is the door to something better. There are always other ways to use your skills, other places where your work is valued and your well-being is respected. You don't have to stay where you feel unhappy. You are not stuck. Life is a journey, and you get to choose the path. Of course, not everyone has the same choices. Some people have to work more to support their families. Some jobs are more demanding than others. That's true. But even in difficult situations, we can try to protect small parts of our day. A few minutes in the morning to stretch, a short walk in the evening, a weekend activity with friends. These little things can remind us that life is more than just work. They can give us strength and hope. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, ask yourself, am I working to live or living to work? What do I need right now, more effort or more rest? Who do I want to be? Someone who is always tired or someone who lives with joy and purpose? The answers are inside you. You just need to listen. Working is part of life, but it should not become your whole life. You are more than your job. You are a human being with feelings, needs, and dreams. You deserve a life that is not only full of work, but also full of meaning, connection, and peace. If you've been living to work, maybe now is the time to stop and think. Take a deep breath. Look around. You don't have to keep running. You can slow down. You can choose a new way. A way that lets you live, not just survive. A way that brings balance, not burnout. A way that brings joy, not just pressure. This life is yours, and you have the power to make it better. So take care of yourself. Make time for what matters. And remember, you were not born just to work. You were born to live.